In this week's tech tip, we're going to look at how to organize all your tabs at the top while being able to open them simultaneously with one click of a button. We will be using a Chrome extension named Toby for Chrome in the Chrome Web Store. In your search bar, type in Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store comes up, click on Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the Web Store, you're going to search for Toby for Chrome. Then you will add the extension button on the right. Once you added Toby for Chrome, there is a plus button on the far right. You will click that, and in this example, we'll use period 1. You can see all your tabs at the very top, and we'll start dragging them on the right into period 1, one by one. You have created all your tabs for period 1. You can click on the button Open All Tabs, and at the top you can see that all the tabs are open simultaneously. Now that you have Toby, anytime that you click the plus tab button, it will take you to your Toby account. This is how you can organize your tabs using Toby for Chrome extension. If you find this helpful, once again, pay it forward and help somebody else organize their tabs.